Children, good morning. How are you all? Today's concept is the uses of what and are. Now let's see what and where. Okay, the uses of what and where. What is what, children? What ante questioning. What means questioning? What is used to ask questions and about objects. The word is used for singular form. Singular form ante only a single thing. The word are is used for a plural form, means more than one. See, more than one. What means? What ante you have to questioning, అడగడం, question చేయడం. What is your name? What is this? What is the shape? అలా అది ఏంటి అని అడగడానికి that is called what. Now I will show the example. See children, what is this? What is this? Now how you will answer? This is a jeep. What is this? అంటే ఇది ఏంటి అని అడుగుతున్నారు మీరు. What is this? This is a jeep. Is used for a singular form. ఒకటి ఉంది కాబట్టి what is this అని this. What is used for a singular form. What is that? What is that? That is an elephant. That is an elephant. Now see children, what are these? See, there are plural form. More than one is there. There are plural form. What are these? So what are these children? These are rats. These are rats. Now tell me, what are those? Those things are very far to us, but they are more than one. So we will call as those. What are those? Those are tubs, because they are in plural form. Those are tubs. Understood children? The is used for a single thing, and this is used for a thing that is near to us. Is used for a single object, and that is used for a object that is far from us. And what are these? Are is used for a plural form, and these means the things which are near to us. These are rats. Now what are those? Are is used for a plural form, and those because the objects are far from us. Those are tubs. I hope you understood the concept of what. Now where. Where means ekkada. Where means ekkada. Where is used to ask the question about the places. About the places. The word is used for a singular form, and the word are is used for a plural form. Same way, the word is used for a singular form. Oka thing or oka object, okati unte we have to use is. More than one we have to use are. Okay. Where is the man? See children, the man is, where is the man? Only a single person is there in the car. Where is the man? The man is in the car. Where is the man? The man is in the car. See children, where are the birds? There are more than one bird. So they are all plural form. So how you have to ask? Where are the birds? Yes, where are the birds? Then what you have to answer? The birds are in the cage. The birds, because are is coming because there are plural. The birds are in the cage. Understood children? The use of what and where. What means questioning, and where means ekkada. Where ante ekkada. What ante enti. Okay children? Bye.